Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and manage customer reviews on Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do is go here into our search bar and type in product reviews. Right here, and you want to tap on it, and you want to click here in the Shopify App Store. So click on it, and once you're here, you would be able to see this one right here, product reviews. You want to click on this one, and this is made by Shopify itself. So you can also try other apps right here for product reviews. It's up to you if you want to try it, because I believe there are some really great apps right here, but some of them are paid, but you can also use their free plan if you want. So let's just go for product reviews made with Shopify and click on add app, and from here let's just wait for it to load and click on install app right here. And once you've done that, then you would be able to be redirected right here. And let's wait. And here we are in the product reviews app right here. So this is how you could do it. So open the theme you'd like to customize and select the product template you'd like to review. Click add section, select reviews from the list of apps. And after that, you can go for ratings also. You can add block, you can select star rating. Yeah, so to do that, let's go back into our Shopify store, and from here let's go into online store at the left side. From here, click on it, and from here you're gonna go here and customize. And after you're here, then now we can go here in the catalog, click here, and from here we're gonna go for one of our products right here. So let's just go for this one right here, for example. So if you didn't have any product yet, then you can just add here by clicking here on the products button right here. And after that, after you're here, then you could just go and find the apps right here. So you can go for apps and add block right here. You can click on add block, and from here you can click on here. There are app blocks right here for reviews and star rating. As instructed right here, we can go for ratings and reviews, and you can either choose reviews or star rating. So in my case, I'll just go for star rating. So click on it. And after that, it will be right here. And when you scroll down, as you can see, we have the star rating right here. Or if you want to add reviews, then you could also do that. Click here on reviews, just like that. And now, let's go and just wait for it. And then here it is. As you can see, we have now a customer review right here. You can also write a review right here. Click on write a review, and you would be able to write the review using your name, email, and your rating right here, and review title, and so on. And yeah, that is basically how you set up your customer reviews. And to view every review that you have received in your store, you simply go here to settings, and from here you want to go into apps and sales channels, and from here you want to go into product reviews right here, and from here click on open app. And once you have opened it, as you can see, I haven't received any reviews, but this is where you can view the reviews that you have got from your catalog right here. So yeah, that is how you manage your reviews, and this is how you set it up right here. So it depends on where you put this right here. You can still customize this if you'd want to. So yeah, it's based on it. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.